Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your Wednesday is going fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, I'm here with a quick card today. I want to share with you a project using a few items that are on sale right now at Spellbinders. I love their spring cleaning warehouse sale, and the products that I'm using today are all on sale, guys. Yes, the spring cleaning sale at Spellbinders is fabulous because there's $1, $2, $3, and more wonderful deals over there. So I'll leave the sale down below along with everything that I use today. But this little sunshine set I picked up a while ago, but it's actually on sale. It's called My Sunshine. It has a sun that you can layer together and then a heart. This set here, guys, is only $2. Regularly, I think like $6.95. Now, if you guys are watching this video 6 months from now, of course the sale's over, and I'm actually not sure when Spellbinders will be ending this sale, but I love these sales. I did my little shopping, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that. But I die cut out my sun. I did do some shading with my oxiding, as you can see here. I had used squeezed lemonade, and then did a little shading with fossilized amber, and that was a little too bright, so I ended up coming in with scattered straw right here using my blending brush just to tone it down a little bit. But yeah, the sale is fabulous, guys. Love when Spellbinders has these sales. This is when I get my twines and my embellishments and some fantastic deals on some stamps too. Now I'm going to bring in a little bit of a darker orangey yellow color. This is Wild Honey, and we're just going to do a little shading to the top area of our sunshine. And it has stitch detail too, which is nice. It's a cute little set. Okay, I cleaned off my craft mat. We're going to bring in the Misty, and I'm going to be using this. I've used this border before. This is called the Elegant Borders. And there's 4 borders in here, and this is on sale too, guys. I was so excited I had to post a video. Today the sale started, so I'll list it below. But this border set is called Elegant Borders, and I'm going to use basically the ribbon kind of a stripe in here, and I thought we'd create a stripe pattern kind of at a diagonal. So I have some white cardstock. I removed my mouse pad from my Misty, and I'm going to create a colorful stripe using some of my Color Fusion ink pads. The first color we're going to stamp a few times. It's Haystack, and it's kind of a warm colored gray. And then I'm going to bring in a brighter yellow, a yellowy orange actually. It's called Summer Days. The lid looks like it's orange, but it's actually a bright yellow. What I'm going to do is take my panel, scoot it up a little over 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to stamp the next layer. Makes it really easy. To do this, you need to put your cardstock in your stamping platform towards the middle. This way you can slide up your card base. Clean off my stamp. My next color, we're going to bring in some blues for a little bit of contrasting colors. I'm going to use Pool Play, and Pool Play is like a very soft blue. And we're going to stamp this a few times. I actually had to stamp it like 3 times. Make sure your panel's straight so you get those lines straight. And we'll ink up our kind of ribbon border one more time. This stamp set's only $5, guys. Okay, we're going to do one more blue color, and this is Huckleberry Fusion. We'll stamp this. So I have a nice colorful background here. There's little flower details in there too, which makes it nice. Once my panel's done, we're going to bring in our paper trimmer, and we're going to trim off 1 inch, and I want to trim it off the right side, so I'm going to end up flipping my panel around. I was going to trim it off the left here, but I kind of liked the way the left looks, so we're going to flip our panel around and trim 1 inch off. And guys, the paper trimmer's on sale. It's $15, just to let you know. I get excited about sales because, you know, we work hard for our money, and if you can get it on sale, why not? Paper trimmer though, I'm not sure if there are replacement blades. I haven't had to replace my blades in a long time. In fact, I've never replaced them, but you might want to check to see if there's replacement blades for that. But I just trimmed my panel. Next, we're going to bring in a few pieces of cardstock. I have Cosmic Sky is the blue. We're gonna have some white, and then I have some black cardstock. I'm actually adhering some fun foam behind the black cardstock because we're gonna die cut out a sentiment for our card today. Now there is excess overhanging, and I like to trim it off because it's gotten stuck to my cutting plate so many times, and it's easier if that tackiness is not exposed. For my sentiment, I'm going to be using a die that says that's called Always Smile. It's a one-piece die set, and this is on sale too, guys. It's part of the $3 deals, so if you want to check it out, everything will be listed below for your convenience, guys. But we're going to die cut our smile out with the fun foam. I had to run it through a few times, but I wanted to pop it up. If you don't want to use fun foam, you could actually die cut out the word smile like 3 times and layer it together with glue. I think it would give the same effect. And it'd probably be easier too, because when you add fun foam, sometimes it wants to lose its shape a little bit. But I'm taking the heart in my Sunshine die set and die cut out a white one, and then one again with the blue Cosmic Sky. Cosmic Sky is one of the blue, the new colored cardstocks from the Color Essentials. But I layered them together, kind of offsetting it, and now I'm going to bring in the paper clips. I love these little paper clips. I've used them before. You guys, they're only $1. I think it's so fabulous because there are tons in here. I picked up a few extra packs. I don't know if I'll ever use them in my lifetime, but I think they're so cute. I'm going to take one of them, and it comes in this little handy pouch too, which makes it nice. It's just $1. Okay, I'm going to bring in some black twine. This is black journey thread, and we're going to thread some twine through our paper clip. This way we can add a bow to whatever we attach it to. The twine's on sale too, guys. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my little hearts, just putting on the top loop here. I'm not going to tie a bow just yet. I'd like to secure it, but yeah, it's on sale. We are going to bring in some extra color pieces of cardstock. I have the Cosmic Sky. We're going to trim this down to a 1 1/4 inch panel, and then I have the yellow, which is beeswax. I'm going to trim this down to a 1 inch strip. These are going to go layered together on the left side of my card, and I'm just going to adhere them using my tape runner. This yellow beeswax strip is going to be about a 1/2 inch from the left, and then this will give us about a 1/4 inch showing after we adhere our panel. Now this little strip is not from Spellbinders. I've had this in my stash. Simon Says Stamp has these pre-made sentiment strips, and I thought this strip went perfect with the sentiment. It says, "Smile, it's a good day to be happy," and today is a very good day to be happy. I think these sales happen quarterly, and I was excited I get to share them with you guys. I did angle my sentiment strip on the right, but the left we're going to fishtail, and I did tuck it underneath my paper clip, almost like the paper clip was holding it up. We're going to go ahead and assemble our sun. Easy to do. You just add some foam adhesive behind it. If you don't want the layers, you don't have to add foam adhesive, just directly adhere it. But I'm going to add 3 foam squares, and we will layer our sun together. Okay, after this is adhered, we are going to go ahead and flip over this panel, pop it up with foam adhesive, and then add it to our card base. This is going to go all the way to the right. And again, we'll have a little bit of about a 1/4 inch border of the beeswax showing, and then about a 1/2 inch showing of the Cosmic Sky cardstock. Okay, after we have our card, I love the way this looks. I love blue and gold anyway. I think it looks real pretty together. I added my sun. I did add my smile, and then we're going to tie the bow with our black licorice twine that's attached to our little hearts here. And I think that looks cute on its own, but I've had these for a while. These are called Spectacle Fun, and the description at Spellbinders says they're stickers, but they're actually not stickers, guys. These are actually plastic, And I'm going to take one of the round little plastic eyeglasses, add it to my son, and then we're going to put some googly eyes on the inside. I have a huge pack of googly eyes that I picked up on Amazon, but Spellbinders has a googly eye package for $1 too. It's pretty cool, huh? So I did decide to add a smile. If you don't want to add a smile, you don't have to, but I think it just goes with the sentiment. And I just used my Memento marker to add my smile. And we have a fun googly-eyed son with glasses and a fun sentiment. So that's my card today I'll call it a sale card. I encourage you guys to check out the sale. Oh my goodness, it's called the Spring Cleaning Ware House Sale. And I think it's only a couple times a year where Spellbinders has this. But there's deals from 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. So I even picked up this stand set. I did a little browsing, a little shopping. I'm not browsing, shopping this morning. But check it out, guys. You're going to find some great deals. Have a fabulous day. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.